Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see EEGV box troubleshooting, common problems, error fixes and factory reset guide. Resolve freezing or display issues on your cable box by unplugging power for 10 seconds or checking HDMI connections. If menus work, select reset all data in the settings menu or force a hardware reset on frozen units using the find remote button. Error 1. Box freezing or slow performance. Power cycle. Turn off the power switch at the mains, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Update software. Navigate to settings, then go to information and reset, then go to software information, then tap on update software to eliminate firmware bugs. Check connection. Ensure your network cables are secure and your box connects to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Error 2. No signal or black screen. Check HDMI. Reseat the HDMI cable securely into both the box and the TV. Match input. Verify your TV is set to matching HDMI input channel via the source button. Error 3. Unresponsive remote control. Power drain. Remove the batteries. Hold the power button for 30 seconds. Mash all buttons to clear stuck contacts and insert fresh alkaline batteries. Box reboot. Unplug the TV box for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and repair using the Home plus 9 button method. Remote locator. If misplaced, press the WPS/find remote button on the side of the EETV Box Pro to make the remote beep. Finding WPS button on your internet router Smart Hub. Look at the sides of the router casing rather than the back. On the left-hand side panel, you will find a physical button clearly marked WPS. On the EETV Box Pro, look at the right side panel of the box. There is a small physical button that serves as both the WPS button and the Find Remote Locator. Error 4 Factory Reset Guide. Method 1 Using the on-screen menu. Press the home button on your remote, go to settings, then go to factory reset and choose reset all data. Enter the verification pin shown on screen to authorize the process. Method 2 Using the physical box buttons Pro and Edge model. Use this technique if the on-screen menus are frozen or completely inaccessible. Disconnect power. Pull the power cable out from the back of the box. Hold Find button. Press and hold the physical Find remote button on the side of the unit. Reconnect power. Plug the power cord back in while continuing to hold the Find remote button. Trigger recovery. Within 3 seconds of power up, press and hold the power button on the front panel. Select options. Release both buttons when the EE logo appears. Use the panel controls to select factory reset. Keep recording to save your shows or factory reset. Delete recording for a clean wipe. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.